What is going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be working on my daily, the Infinity FX35. So what I'm going to be doing today is actually I'm going to be removing my 21-inch FX50 wheels. These are powder coated in gloss black, absolutely mint. And I'm going to be removing the factory aero kit, so it includes the front lip, the side sills, the door sills, and the rear splash. So you guys might be wondering why I'm putting it back to stock. Is because I'm actually giving this car to my wife, and you know, she's a realtor. She's going to be driving a lot, especially during winter time. I want her to have a car where she can drive without having to get stuck or anything. So this is a perfect vehicle for her. Yeah, I'm going to be picking up a new car next weekend. So first things first, we're just going to remove the 21-inch wheels. I got my stock 18s right here, so now we're just going to be swapping it out. It definitely looks a lot smaller. These are for my wife, so these should work perfectly fine. She can hit all these potholes all she wants, because you can see how much, you know, meat there is on this tire. So definitely not gonna curve the wheels on this. There's just so much meat that protrudes out. A little update. So I finished putting up all the stock wheels back on, and now I'm gonna remove the aero lip kit. Here is my factory size, which replaces right here. And like I said, I'm going to remove the front lip as well as removing the rear splash. Alright, I didn't record most of it because time was against me, and it's getting pretty dark right now and it's really cold, so I had to rush with the installation back to stock. So sorry if you guys didn't see what I was doing, but yep, pretty much took all the stock parts back on. Yeah, everything's gonna be for sale, guys. 21-inch FX50 wheels, powder coated black. They're wrapped in Pirelli's Scorpion tires, so they're really fresh. The 275, 45, 21, the whole entire aero kit is for sale. Absolutely no scratches, nothing at all. If you guys are interested in buying it, let me know. Just comment down below or DM us on Instagram at Ikigai Driven. Fortunately, yeah, I had to take mine off because I'm giving this car to my wife. I don't think she'll really care like how it looks or anything. So yeah, this is it. This is it right now. This is pretty much how it sits. If you guys actually want to see any kind of video with this car, let me know. Just comment down below. Might do a little something to it. Who knows? If you guys stayed till the end of the video, we want to just say a huge thanks to all you guys who subscribe to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt and this is Gary, who's not here with me right now, but we started this YouTube channel together just to document our cars together. So many of you guys subscribe to our channel because of my 350Z, which I unfortunately sold, and Gary's RSX. And a lot of you guys are new here because of the Evo 9 that I just got. I'll put up the link in that corner right there. So if you haven't seen that, check that out. So I'm still in complete shock that I own the Evo 9 now. It's been a dream car of mine ever since I was a little kid. I figure it's the best time to get one now. They're extremely rare, and finding one in great shape is just really impossible. But I lucked out and found one in Georgia, so I flew down there and drove 13 hours back. It was such an awesome experience. So 2020 has just started and we almost reached 2,000 subs. It definitely isn't a lot, but every sub matters to us, and we're definitely grateful for you guys. And we're so happy that you guys are here to join us. So it's gonna be a great year this year, so stay tuned to see what we're up to with our cars. Our video style is gonna change a little bit. We're gonna try to transition more into like vlog style. And we wanna mention that we read every single comment that you guys write to us, and we reply to every single one of them. So we wanna say thank you for that. All right, guys, it's getting a little late. We just wanted to get this video out for you guys. We wanna say thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out, guys.